Elementary teachers these days, we're talking about the 5 biggest mistakes I see elementary teachers make when they want to grow a garden with their students, and I would never do those. Go find the past 3 videos where I talked about the first 3 mistakes, or better yet, go register into the School Gardens with Ease 2024 free 60-minute webinar for elementary teachers on my profile, in which I not only talk about these, but I give you much, much more. Today is all about mistake number 4. I would never ever touch the garden as the teacher, and I would never let any other teacher touch the garden. I would never let any other parents or any adults, for that matter, touch the garden. Everything in this classroom or even school garden has to be done by your students and students only. The only work that we would expect from parents is to bring their kids, your students, during summertime for watering this garden. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that if your garden is designed well, the only chore during summertime that's required is watering. And even then, the parents only help their kids by bringing them to the garden. But the watering, even during summertime, should be done by the students. Now, there are 2 sides to this, or 2 reasons to do it this way. First of all, this is supposed to be a hands-on educational garden. Anything an adult does is a missed learning opportunity for the kids. If this is a modern learning teaching tool, then adults shouldn't be doing the work. And the second part of it is that anything that the students don't do, it becomes the responsibility of the adults. Who's the main adult here? You are. And you and I both know that you do not need more work and responsibilities on your shoulders. The good news is, even an outdoor school garden, which is the phase 2 of your garden project, does not need the adults. Even when the garden is being built, it can also be done by the students. Everything can be done by the students. I'll tell you all about it, all the practical details and handouts, step by step, in the School Gardens with Ease 2024 free 60-minute webinar for elementary teachers. Go find your spot on that webinar.